Hi, this is Frankie, and I want to do a comparison between MoodleAce.com and sem.moodlehub.com in terms of loading times. I'm using Google Chrome, and before I start I'm just going to go to Tools and clear any browsing data to clear off my cache. Okay, now I'm going to type scm.moodlehub.com. Well, it took about 20 seconds to load up, and let me just show you the statistics here. Now this is a free website from India. It's a non-profit organization. Back then it was non-profit, but now they've come up with their own web hosting. So before they branched off into profit-making web hosting, they gave free websites and hoped that people would donate money to them. But because that business model didn't work, so they came up with their own web hosting profit-making branch of their company. So the point I want to make here is that it took about 20 seconds to load up, and now I've just logged in, and once I've logged in, the theme will change, and right at the bottom you can see that the statistics are here. Okay, just zoom that up a bit. So here you can see the stats at 0.35 seconds. That's how long it took to load up the page according to the stats, although physically I had to wait about 20 seconds. So RAM usage is 8.8 megabytes. Maximum RAM usage was 8.9 megabytes, and there's a load average here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to load up the MoodleAce.com, and I'm going to see a comparison. So I'm going to keep count of how many seconds. Silently I will count in my head. 50 seconds have gone by. It's coming up to 1 minute. So 1 minute has gone by, and all I have is just the description here of the website, but it still has not loaded up yet. The other one has already loaded up. This is the one from India. What I did was I backed up the Moodle site and I restored it on the MoodleAce.com. So I think it's already more than a minute and a half. It still hasn't loaded up. Now of course my line is quite bad. My line is very bad, but I'm just concerned that a server like this from India is able to load up within less than 25 seconds. Now this is already going on to the second minute mark, and still no sign of it. So I'm just a bit concerned here, because if I'm going to be using shared hosting, I'll be sharing resources with other websites, and the response time, this is unacceptable as far as I'm concerned. So I'm not sure if this is the best that the company can do, the web host company can do. Perhaps there's something that you can do to speed up the transfer. I know I'm only paying 80 ringgit a year for the web hosting, but for me to get this type of response time, it's pretty bad. Okay, So I'm not sure how many minutes have gone by already. Here's the clock. You can see the clock there. It's I'm sure more than 2 minutes has already gone by. So let me just try to speed it up a bit. Maybe I just type a HTTP, and of course it is loading up, but again it takes a long time to load up. So I don't think I can have a class, and I don't think I can rely on a website if it's going to take a long time to load. This is way too long for me. So again, how many minutes is it? I'm not too sure. It's already more than a couple of minutes. Okay, so I hope I made my point. This is a free website from is actually under Key to School. Let me just show you how I got into it, in case you want to know where this was. Key to School, let's just go into here. Okay, anyway, this is the Indian company that provided the free Moodle hosting. Okay, now of course they've gone into a profit-making venture called Key to Moodle. Okay, so here they've got free Moodle hosting, but unfortunately I can't modify or can't install the Moodle plugins. That's why I need my own website like this, where I can actually install modules and install plugins. But I need the website to load faster than this. Okay, well, that's all from me. I just did it to prove a point, and I hope that something can be done. Thank you very much.